Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make your lock screen change pictures on iPhone. The first thing you need to do is go into settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down and select wallpaper. After selecting wallpaper, you're going to tap on add new wallpaper. Then you are going to select Photo Shuffle from the top menu option. It's in the top left hand corner. That's the second option. After selecting Photo Shuffle, you can tap on the bottom of the page where you see Select Photos manually if you want, or you can use the featured photos. For this example, I'll be using the featured photos, and I'll be using the nature featured photos. Then you are going to tap on Shuffle Frequency, and from here you can choose whether you would like the photos to be changed every hour, daily, on tap or unlock, and I'll simply leave it at hourly. Then tap on Use Featured Photos. Then you can tap on the screen to see a preview of how your lock screen will change, as you can see right there. Then select Add in the top right hand corner. Then tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair, or you can change your home screen if you like, if you would like your home screen to be of a different picture. Then tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.